everyone, welcome back to the channel. Yes, y'all are getting a lot of content from me here in the past day. Hopefully I can get it all uploaded and not forget that I recorded all of it. I've got one edited, it's ready to upload now, so I figured I'd record this one and I'll just kind of upload all of them today if I can. You're going to get just a mass drop of stuff from me.
He's going to go wah, pow, 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 pow.
That's
pow,
right.
pow.
That's right. So what we have on the table today is, oh, it's a Treasure Studios art. Another one. I love Treasure Studios art. I'm beginning to become like a big, huge fan of theirs. Rachel does a great job keeping people informed. This was the giveaway from back in, what, January, I think?
December.
Diamond Painting with Dreamers giveaway, yeah, probably back in December. She had her giveaway and I won it. And we've been waiting on this one, but because of all of this crap, it's been delayed. So it finally arrived, and I can't wait to open it up and see what it looks like. I know what I ordered.
I forgot what you ordered, if I'm being honest.
Oh, and then it'd be a surprise to you too.
We've ordered so much crap lately.
I really kind of forgot what it actually looks like, but I know the general gist of it. So
I think it's space or something.
yeah,
like
it's a
that.
space
I
theme.
just don't remember which one.
But yeah, so let's take a look at it. As I said, I love TSA. I'm working on the Vibe Tribe one right now, and it has really made me fall in love with this company. I'm not going to say they're better than Diamond Art Club. They are in several ways, and, you know,
They're each unique in their own way.
they are unique in their own way, and this is, I'm going to say, on an equal level with Diamond Art Club as far as quality, and even better in some other aspects as far as my opinion goes. This thing is like, yeah, I got bubble wrapped and double wrapped, and so here it is. It is a 55 by 80. And what's inside, you ask? Well, you will find out what's inside. Let me cut it open here. Can't really see it on the camera anyway with the glare, so no use in trying to show the pictures. What's inside? That's what's inside. Got a canvas. I'm assuming there's drills wrapped up inside because it's really heavy.
Your toolkit was also wrapped different than mine.
Yes, I even got a toolkit in a plastic bag. You see there? Yeah, crinkle. And you get the typical Treasure Studios art toolkit in a little mesh bag with a white tray, 4 squares of wax, well, 2 rectangle squares of wax. There, see, two rectangle squares, and a 3-placer, a 9-placer, and a pink pen, and your rounded tweezers. Very high quality, nice metal pink tweezers. These actually are better high quality than these, I think. And a squishy and a 6-placer. Toolkit is a toolkit is a toolkit. I will definitely be using these tweezers. In fact, they will come in handy with my scale modeling as well. Bet Rachel never really realized she was creating toolkits for other hobbies as well. And we have inside, there is our drill kit, all of our drills, and a inventory sheet, which I do like that she has started including inventory sheets, because I did not get one with the Vibe Tribe painting. And we have a 80 by 55 painting of, oh, I can't get it in the frame. It looks like the planets and an astronaut hanging out there. Looks pretty neat. I saw it. I liked it. I had to have it. And there we have, really no need to even roll this up the other way. It all kind of
I did mine out of habit.
Yeah. Very confetti-ish. It is square. And the drill field is super clear. Again, it is Treasure Studios Art's mounting film, which is, it's like a double-sided adhesive that
Or glue. It's a mix of both.
well, it works like poured glue in the sense of it won't bubble, it won't wrinkle, that kind of thing.
It won't yellow either.
But it is placed on the canvas like a double-sided adhesive, in the sense of that's the way it's made. It's not actually poured on there. But the big difference is with the mounting film over double-sided adhesive is the mounting film will not turn into like your old photo albums. Like you get an old photo album, the old style pages with the plastic cover, and you stick the photo in there. After a while, that stuff that's on there that keeps the photo stuck to the page will eventually dry and the photos will just fall off. Well, that's will not happen with these. And more than likely with all of your double-sided adhesive ones, that will eventually happen.
Excuse the asshole.
Excuse our asshole neighbors across the alley here. They like to ride their little mini bikes and four-wheelers up and down the alley all day long, and it's annoying. So yeah, this is TSA. Like I said, I love their adhesive because like double-sided adhesive, when you put something down, it stays where you put it. But on double-sided adhesive, most of the time it's hard to move that part or that drill to a spot. Like let's say you didn't put it down straight and you want to get it straight.
Good luck with that.
You can, oh yeah, on the regular double-sided adhesive, you normally can't do it very easily. On this one, it does move easily to where you want to move it to, and it stays where you moved it to. Unlike a Diamond Art Club, and that's my biggest complaint with Diamond Art Club's adhesive, is you can put it down and you can move it somewhere, but as soon as you move the drill, it springs right back to where you originally put it. It's kind of like a spongy adhesive, and that's what I don't really like about their port glue. Otherwise, that's what this has over Diamond Art Club. And I'm not saying Diamond Art Club is bad. Great quality canvases, wonderful quality. I love working on my Diamond Art Clubs, but if I had to have a choice, I wish Diamond Art Club would go to this kind of an adhesive, to be honest with you. And then they would have a perfect product. But, and to be honest, the only thing that this one doesn't have that Diamond Art Club does have is it has a standard canvas backing. It doesn't have this soft fuzzy backing, which honestly that's not what sells a diamond painting to me anyways. I don't care about a fuzzy back. I really don't. It feels nice, but you're not going to see the back of the canvas anyway once you mount this thing on stretcher bars or once you put it in a frame. Only you are going to know that fuzzy back is there, so it's really not achieving anything. So yeah, we have a 55 by 80 image of space, all the planets here, nice little astronaut down here hanging out. Looks like the arm that he's standing on the end of there. Some galaxies and comets and the sun over here. Yeah, really nice, really good clear drill field. I'll pull this back and try to hold it up there so you can see it. Very clear. It's got the nice little grid there in the middle. And it is 40 colors. So let's open up our drills and see what we got here. Rip. And our Treasure Studios art sheet. Oh, because it's 40 colors, it's actually got 2 sheets. That's kind of nice. It is printed in black and white, so it's not in color. However, that's not really a big issue at all. So let's go through our colors and see what we have here. I know my last one, they were all in order in the bag or in the thing. Don't look like that's the case here. No, maybe I'm wrong. I may very well be wrong on that. But maybe they are in order. So our first symbol is 152. Let's find that somewhere here. I don't even know what color 152 is. I guess I'll find out. Yes, there is.
Are you
Let's
really
start
gonna
here.
put them in order?
Yes, I am going to put them in order. 152,
310,
310, big bag of 310s, y'all.
336. Let me help you, sort of.
336. Oops, I'm dropping them. They're sliding.
Ouch.
Sorry, babe. Stepped on her toes because she's walking around here barefoot and I got my boots on.
336.
336.
350. There.
349. Right here.
Okay, 349. What's
And it's
next?
got some blue ones hanging out in there.
What's next?
350s.
3.
It's 550.
Hold on.
No, 350s right here. 332. Wait a minute. That's 3370. No, 350s right there. It's already there. 413. 413.
What's next?
And the next one is 452. It's right there. And 550. That was buried over here. And 553. And 645.
Got it.
645 there. And now we go to 648. Yes, folks, you're watching us actually inventory the drills, which is good.
648.
And 720. 728.
Yep.
Alright, 728, 729, 730. 730 is right here.
Okay.
And 780, which is right there. Now I've got 82, 92, 793, 809,
819, right?
817.
Okay.
No, actually 809 comes next. 793, 809, yeah, 817, 819.
898.
No, 823.
Okay, hold on. There's 823.
Okay, and 898, getting ahead of me there. 902, right there. 938,
Right here.
939's here. And 950, right there. And page 2, 964,
Got it.
977,
Got it.
sorry, I'm squishing you out of the way. I know, bad me. Alright, which one did we do? 977 was the last one? Okay, 3326. And 3371. 3689. And 3721. And 3727. 3733. 3766. And 3822. 3839. And 3852. That is all of them. All of the colors are there. And the camera is not picking up actually how bright and colorful these colors are. The camera is making it look dark and dull and
This kind of reminds me of a 666, honestly,
Almost,
how bright it
yeah.
is. But it's not 666. It's
349.
349, but it's that bright. That's
Yeah.
what I'm trying to get at you. And this looks more like cooked corn.
Yeah.
So, you know, that's how.
Some of the
And
colors
this
are
is
coming through.
like a
but
sea
not-
foam.
Yeah. That's
Hey,
coming through pretty
You
good.
got some
Yeah.
rounds in there.
You got a round in there. And I will say, as I said, as we've said before, the Vibe Tribe painting I'm working on is a TSA, and I've had 0 trash drills in there so far. And I'm working on my 3rd or 4th 10 by 10 section.
I've seen a little bit of trash in my drills that I looked through my canvas, but that's because I have a lot of drills, and I think I just caught the,
Yeah.
you know.
But
But she
I'm
provides more than enough. I'm not worried about it.
I'm not really seeing much in the way of trash
No.
in these at all.
They're just little stragglers in just about
Yeah.
every bag, but that's okay. It happens when you work in
Yeah.
baggies.
So, I mean, I'm going to say run out, grab some TSA, grab one. I mean, you will not be disappointed at all. Right
It's
now,
worth
their
the
shipping
price.
is a little long because everybody's shipping is a little long with this virus crap going on. But I will say they're not bad. They're worth your money. They're worth the
It's
wait.
definitely worth the money. And the wait, yeah.
And so I'll be working on this one in the future. I've got to finish the Vibe Tribe one up. And I might start on this one afterwards. I like my TSAs. I'm really kind of... I want to try one of their squares now that I'm working on a round. I want to try one of their squares too. So, this will be the 3rd video we recorded. So we will... we'll get them all uploaded today, hopefully. And you'll have some content to watch. We'll be live tomorrow night, normal time. And we will see you then. So until then, rock on, y'all.